Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix find my iPhone is grayed out. So guys, if you are facing this problem that your find my is grayed out on your device but you don't know that how can you fix this. So guys, today in this video I will show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply close this page. Now open the settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection and there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's an connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Now after that guys, go it below and then tap on language or region and make sure that your region is correct. Now after that you have to just simply go back, and from here guys what we need to do is just simply tap on content screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy section and turn this toggle off. Now after turning it off you have to just simply go back and then tap on face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. Now after that scroll to below and here you can see this stolen device protection. So guys, we have to just simply turn off this toggle from here. So guys, after turning it off, your find my iPhone problem is fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.